Ever wondered how Domino's stays at the top in the highly competitive pizza delivery market? Well, it's all down to their strategic marketing efforts. They've mastered the art of reaching their target audience through multiple channels and touchpoints, ensuring they remain a household name. First up, there's traditional advertising. Domino's hasn't forgotten the power of TV commercials, radio ads, and print materials. By casting a wide net, they reach a broad audience and keep their brand at the forefront of people's minds. But they're not stuck in the past. Domino's knows the importance of digital marketing. They're active on social media, send out enticing emails, and keep their website up to date. Through these platforms, they engage with customers, share promotions, and build relationships that drive sales. Speaking of social media, they're making the most of platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even TikTok. This allows them to connect with customers in real time, share user-generated content, and target specific demographics with their advertising campaigns. Ever Googled pizza delivery and noticed Domino's popping up? That's no coincidence. Through search engine optimization, or SEO, they ensure their website appears prominently when customers are on the hunt for a pizza fix. And let's not forget their mobile app. This nifty tool offers a convenient way for customers to order food, track their orders, and even receive exclusive offers. This enhanced customer experience encourages repeat business. Domino's also understands the power of partnerships and sponsorships. By teaming up with other brands, events, or organizations, they can extend their reach and tap into new customer segments. Whether it's sponsoring a sports team or collaborating with a popular influencer, they're always looking for fresh ways to promote their products. Rewards, discounts, or freebies, Domino's has cleverly implemented customer loyalty programs to incentivize repeat purchases. This strategy increases customer retention and lifetime value, keeping people coming back for more. Lastly, they keep things exciting with interactive promotions. Contests, games, challenges, you name it, they've done it. This not only creates a buzz around the brand, but also encourages sharing on social media. So there you have it. By employing a diverse range of marketing strategies, Domino's ensures they stay top of mind for consumers and remain competitive in the cutthroat world of pizza delivery. From traditional advertising to digital engagement, partnerships to loyalty programs, they've got their bases covered. After all, in the world of pizza, it's all about delivering more than just a tasty meal. It's about delivering a memorable experience,